Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'll be walking you through the Planet Fitness app, what it is and how to use it step by step to make the most of your fitness journey. Let's get started. The Planet Fitness app is the official app for Planet Fitness gym members. It helps you check into the gym with a digital membership card, find your nearest Planet Fitness location, track your workouts, access hundreds of workouts, videos and tutorials, join virtual classes or training sessions, even use features like the crowd meter to see how busy the gym is before you go. Now to use it, first you need to download your app from the App Store or Google Play. If you haven't, so search Planet Fitness on your search bar at the top of your page, and after the icon pops up, tap on that and then tap on install and open up your app. Log in with your Planet Fitness membership account. If you don't have one, sign up with the app or at your local gym. Once logged in, you'll see your digital key tag which you can scan at the gym. The home screen gives you quick access to your digital card, fitness tracking and the crowd meter. The crowd meter is especially useful. It shows you how busy your Planet Fitness gym is in real time, so you can plan your workout at the best time. To find the nearest Planet Fitness location, tap Find a Club, search by city, ZIP code or let the app use a GPS. You'll see gym details, hours and amenities available. Planet Fitness offers a whole library of workout and tutorials inside the app. Tap the workout section at the bottom of your page in the middle right here. So tap on that, then browse categories like strength, cardio or stretching. You can see right here. Scroll down to see more. You can watch guided videos or follow training plans. There's also a feature called PF Trainer where you can join virtual workouts led by trainers. This app lets you log and track your workouts. Just tap on track activity, enter the exercise you did, the time spent and calories burned. Over time, you'll see your progress in the activity history. Under your account settings, you can update membership details, manage notifications, access Planet Fitness rewards and offers. This makes it easy to manage both your workouts and your membership in one place. And that's how you can use the Planet Fitness app step by step. It's like having a personal trainer, workout tracker and a digital check-in card all in one. I hope this video helped you out, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment favorite Planet Fitness feature. Thank you for watching. Bye.